Before we start the exercise 4.8, first we understand some of the division fact for a given multiplication facts. Suppose first we write the multiplication facts. What are the multiplication facts? Suppose we write that 12 multiplied by 5, what we get the 60. We get the 60. You know the very well. And what is the division fact? The division fact, it means it is our answer 60 divided by any factor of the multiplication. अगर अपन फैक्टर्स में से किसी को भी डिवाइड करेंगे, सपोज वी डिवाइडेड बाय द 5, so what is the remaining is here, we get the 12. It means we can say the factor of 60 equal to 12 into 5, or 12 multiplied by 5 we get the 60. So it is the division fact. And the second fact, if we divided by the 60 12, what we get? It means the another factor is the 5. So it is our division fact and it is the multiplication fact. फर्स्ट में क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट में अपन क्या देखेंगे, 12 मल्टीप्लाई 5, व्हाट वी गेट द 60. ठीक है, फिर डिवीजन फैक्ट में क्या देखेंगे अपन, डिवीजन फैक्ट में क्या होगा कि जो अपना आंसर आया 60, अगर अपन किसी भी दो फैक्टर्स हैं इसमें से किसी से भी डिवाइड करेंगे तो अपने को दूसरा फैक्टर्स अपने को इजीली मिल जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ वी गो थ्रू फॉर द एक्सरसाइज. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कैलकुलेट एंड फिल द मिसिंग नंबर्स. फर्स्ट फिल आउट मल्टीप्लाई, वी गेट द 858. नाउ वी फाइंड आउट द second factor of the 11. So how can we find out the second factor of the 11? We have go through for the division. 858 divided by the 11. So you know the very well table of the 11. 11 is 88. So we cannot go through for the 88. We go through for the 77. Now we subtract 5. Cannot be subtracted by the 7. So we take the carry. 15, we get the 8. 7 minus 7 we get the 0, and 8 is count down, so it will be 88. You know very well the 11 is 88. So we say the other factor is the 78. Now the second question, 25 multiplied is equal to 2000. Again we go to for the same thing. 2000 divided by the 25. First you write the table of 25. It is a table of 25. So you see here you get the 200. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times you get the 200. Now you see here the 0 is come down from here. तो अपने वो 0 को यहाँ पे छोड़ना नहीं है. क्या यहाँ पर छोड़ेंगे, बस अपना डिवाइड पूरा हो गया. बिकॉज 0 ऊपर से आएंगे तो अपने वो 0 को भी यहाँ पर लिखना पड़ेगा. So what is our answer is the 80. Question number 3. Z multiplied 26 equal to 8,970. So what we do again the divide. 8972 divided by 26. I write here the table of the 26. So we take the 2 digit, it is the 89. Who is the less than of the 89? It is the 78. How many times it will become to the 3 times? Now we subtract 9 minus 8 we get the 1 and 8 minus 7 we get the 1. Now the 7 is down. So 117. How many times it will become? It will become 130 is greater 117, so we take the 4 times. 104. Subtract 7 minus 4 we get the 3. 1 minus 0 we get the 1. And 0 is down. So how many 130? You see in the table of 26, 130 is coming. How many times it will become? It will become for the 5 times. So we get the 5 times and subtract we get the 0. So what is our answer? The other factor of 26 is the 345. Now question number 4. 49 multiplied dash equal to 7488. Again, first we write the table of 49. So it is easy for us. 7448 divided by the 49. Now you see second time in the 19 it is greater than for the 74. So what we have to do? We have go through for the one time. 49. 4 is not subtract from the 9, so we take the carry. It is the 14 and it is the 6. So 9 minus 14. We get the 5. And 6 minus 4 we get the 2. And the 4 is come down. So you see here the 254. So 254, you have see here the 245. 245, subtract how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write here the 5. Now again 4 will not be subtracted by the 5. So we take the carry, it is the 14, it is the 4. So 14 minus 5, we get the 9. 4 minus 4, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. And the 8 will be come down here. Here is the 98. You have seen the table of 49 is the 98. How many times it will become? 2 times. And 98 minus 98 is the 0. So the other factor is the 152. And the remaining question is your homework. So you have done it at your notebook.